Hi guys, I'm Varun and today I want to show you guys my secret weapon when it comes to Indian cooking. I'm talking about this particular pan. Now this is something known as a Saute pan from the Anzen range from Meyer. Now the thing about this particular pan is that it gives me the surface area of a fry pan with the capacity of a kadai, which is really useful when you're doing Indian cooking because you need that browning of a fry pan with the capacity of a kadai to get your curries or dry vegetables or even biryanis. Yes, you heard me right. This is a perfect pan for making biryanis. Let me show you how.